ECE'S trip to Samsun. "Hooray!" shouted İce. "We are here! This is Samsun." Dede Aras smiled. "Welcome to the Black Sea, little explorer. Samsun is where the sea meets history." The sun sparkled on the blue water. Their first stop was the famous Bandirma Vapuru ferry. "This ship is special," Dede Aras explained. "It looks like a museum now, but it carried a very important leader who started the fight for Turkey's independence." İce traced the metal hull with her finger. "So this is where the new beginning started?" Dede Aras nodded. "Samsun is known as the city of the first step. It's proud of its history." Next, they went up high to Amisos Hill. To get there, they took a telepheric, a cable car. It soared over the green trees and busy city streets. From the top, the view was amazing. İce could see the whole city curving along the shore. "Look, Dede, we can see everything from here, even the sea meeting the sky." But Samsun is not just city and history. It has wild nature too. They drove to the Kızılırmak Delta, known as Kusuneti, the bird paradise. Hundreds of birds live in this peaceful place. They saw great white pelicans and fluffy little ducks. İce had to be very quiet so she didn't scare the migrating visitors. After a long morning of exploring, it was time to eat. They found a bustling street market. Dede Aras ordered Samsun pidesi, a delicious, boat-shaped bread filled with meat and cheese. "Did you know Samsun is the world capital of hazelnuts?" Dede Aras asked. İce crunched on a handful of crispy nuts. "They are everywhere. They taste so much better right here." Samsun is a wonderful city. It has big ships, high hills, quiet birds, and delicious food. İce knew she would carry the spirit of the first step in her heart long after she left the Black Sea shore.